वीणामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः।
प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाचिनीवती धीनामवित्रवतु। ॐ महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। विष्णोर्नुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पार्थिवानि विममे रजागुंसि यो अस्कभायदुत्तरगं सधस्तं विचक्रमाणस्त्रेधोरुगायो विष्णोरराटमसि विष्णोः पृष्ठमसि विष्णो श्लप्त्रे एस्थो विष्णो स्यूरसि विष्णोर्ध्रुवमसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वा। ॐ विष्णवे नारायणाय नमः। तदस्य प्रियमभिपाथो अस्यां नरो यत्र देवयवो मदन्ति उरुक्रमस्य सहि बन्धुरित्था विष्णोः पदे परमे मध्व उत्सः प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय मृगो न भीमः कुचरो गिरिष्ठाः यस्योरुषु त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु अधिक्षियन्ति भुवनानि विश्वा परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान न ते महित्वमन्वश्नुवन्ति उभे ते वेद्मरजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वं परमस्य वित्से विचक्रमे पृथिवीम् एष एताम् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजना सह उरुक्षितिगं सुजनिमाचकार त्रिर्देवः पृथिवीम् एष एताम् विचक्रमेश तर्चसं महित्वा प्रविष्णुरस्तु तव सस्तभीयान् त्वेषगृह्यस्य स्थविरस्य नाम अतो देवा अवन्तु नो यतो विष्णुर्विचक्रमे पृथिव्या सप्तधामभिः इदं विष्णुर्विचक्रमे त्रेधानि दधे पदम् समूढमस्य पागुं सुरे त्रीणि पदा विचक्रमे विष्णुर्गोपा अदाभ्यः ततो धर्माणि धारयन् विष्णोः कर्माणि पश्यत यतो व्रतानि पस्पशे इन्द्रस्य युज्यः सखा तद्विष्णोः परमं पदगुं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवीव चक्षुरा ततम् तद्विप्रासो विपन्यवो जागृवागुं सस्समिन्दते विष्णोर्यत्परमं पदम् पर्याप्या अनन्तरायाय सर्वस्तोमोतिरात्र उत्तममहर्भवति सर्वस्याप्यै सर्वस्य चित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
We will recite Bhagavad Gita chapter 12, also called the Yoga of Devotion. In these 20 verses, Bhagavan Shri Krishna extols the glory of devotion and provides various disciplines to allow us to fix our mind on Bhagavan.
ॐ हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ श्री कृष्ण परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्ता स्वां पर्युपासते ये चाव्यक्षरमव्यक्तम् तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेशमनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमावताः। ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम् सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामम् सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्तानि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते। येषु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम् मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निरतेष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः। अत चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततः मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अभ्यासेन समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि। अथैतदभ्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यथात्मवान्। श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते। ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखक्षमी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यथात्मा दृढनिश्चयः। मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकानो द्विजते च यः। हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः। अनपेक्षश्रुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः। समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समः सङ्गविवर्जितः। तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः। एतु धन्यामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धानामत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः। ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः। ॐ हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज। अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
We will conclude with select verses from Gopika Geet, a beautiful stuti from 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. This song captures the love and reverence of the Gopikas in Vrindavan for Sri Krishna as the Supreme Lord.
सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादि हेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमः। जय गीते। जयति देवी कृष्णा जन्मनारचः शयनयित्रा कृष्णा शश्वतगति दैतदृश्यतां कृष्णा दीक्षुतावताः वैददासव कृष्णा त्वां विचिन्वते शरदुदाशये कृष्णा साधु चाकसत् सच्चिदोदर कृष्णा श्रीमुषारुषा सुरतनाटके कृष्णा शङ्कराधिका वरदने ततो कृष्णा देहकिन्दवः कृष्णजलाभ्यया कृष्णा व्यासराक्षसा वर्षमारुता कृष्णा वैद्युतानला वृषमया ध्वजा कृष्णा विश्वतो मया वृषभते वयं कृष्णा रक्षिता न खलु गोपिका कृष्णा नन्दनो भवान् अर्जुनदेहिता कृष्णान्तराधकृत विठलशासितो कृष्णा भीष्मगोप्तये सखौ देहिता कृष्णा सात्वतां कुले विरचिता वयं कृष्णा वृष्णिकुर्यते चरणमीयुषा कृष्णा संस्कृते मया करसरोरुहं कृष्णा कागदामदम् शिरसि देहिता कृष्णा श्रीकरम् तव कलामृतं कृष्णा तप्तजीवनम् कृष्णा कल्मषापहम् श्रवणमङ्गलम् कृष्णा श्रीमनातनम् भुविगुणन्ति ते कृष्णा भूमिलासनम् तनकलामलम् कृष्णा पद्मशालिनम् धर्ममण्डलम् कृष्णा जयमागतिः शरणमङ्गलम् कृष्णा शङ्कमं तते रमणनन्दने कृष्णा भजवलोकनां कृष्णा विरञ्जिनन्दने मङ्गलं कृष्णा विश्वमङ्गलम् यशमनाञ्जनां कृष्णा वक्रहासनाम् कृष्णा जयति देहि कृष्णा जन्मनारचः शयनयित्रा कृष्णा शश्वतगतिः
Hari Om. A hearty welcome to all of you today at our event. I know today's presentation will be a spectacular event. You will not forget the rhythms of the evening. I can imagine many of you humming the bhajans after this evening is over. Thanks to our chief guest, Swami Siddhanandji. A warm welcome to you, Swamiji. We are blessed to have you amongst us, and it is a joy to listen to your bhajans anytime. As some of you may not know, Chinmay Mission Washington Regional Center was initiated by a few dedicated sevaks, our founding members at 46 Norwood Road we know as Kailash Nivas. They all had one dream, to see CMWRC thrive with Gurudev's glory. And here we are several days later, looking back at our growth, and we are surely thriving because of your support. As we outgrew in numbers, we knew we had to venture into something bigger to accommodate our members and our vision. We looked to build. We got Chinmayam, Chinmaya Somnath, land for Chinmayanandam, all because of your support. Today our chapters bustle with activities, particularly of our children. We see their excitement and engagement at every moment as we see them grow with our program from Ati Maduram all the way to Chinmayam. They bring us the strength to continue Gurudev's work. They bring us the inspiration. They continue to serve Gurudev with participating in study groups in colleges, even coming back to serve as teachers and leads in many of our initiatives. We know our next generation is our future, our tomorrow. We see their enthusiasm, their engagement as students and sevaks. How can we not lead them into an exciting future, one of a brighter tomorrow? We can only do it with your continued support. The pandemic did not put a damper on our offerings. Our virtual classes attracted everyone. For one of our Balvihar classes at higher levels, we had much better attendance than we've normally seen. We have been truly blessed with Gurudev's glory. He still has his special ways to make things happen. As one of the largest centers, our biggest gift from Gurudev is our own Swamiji, our guide, mentor, and member of each one of our families. We cherish his guidance and wisdom and contributions to our thriving center. In addition, we're fortunate to have Vilasniji, our mentor for Balvihar program, and other Vedanta teachers, Anandji, and recently Vijay Kumarji, Arvindji, Medhaji, Satyaji, Sukanyaji. How much we have to offer is amazing. And despite the pandemic, our presentation continue virtually, and we feel blessed with the topics our teachers are introducing to us. Let's keep this momentum going. Our chief guest is no stranger to this center. Swamiji has visited us a few times, brought us the joy of beautiful bhajans, the music and composition that draws us all. Swami Siddhananda joined Chinmay Mission in 1972, studying Vedanta at Sandipani Sadhanalaya, Mumbai, under Gurudev. He served at Chinmay Mission Chennai for many years and also at the Chinmay International Foundation. Swamiji has inspired generations of youngsters through his love and dynamic and active association with the Chinmay Yuva Kendra and has worked with them in many spiritual and social projects in Chennai. Swamiji is presently at Kedar, Chinmay Mission Philadelphia, and is in charge of Chinmay Publications. Swamiji regularly conducts adult and Balvihar classes, satsangs and camps in the tri-state area. He also visits other CMW centers. Swamiji is an artist and singer and composed many bhajans and brought out a number of albums. They are available on CD through Chinmay Publications. Let us enjoy this beautiful evening. Welcome, Swamiji. We are so honored to have you here. Thank you.
नमः। नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण
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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण
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 नारायण हरि नारायण
नारायण हरि नारायण
पंकज विलोचन नारायण
पंकज विलोचन नारायण
भक्त संकट विमोचन नारायण
भक्त संकट विमोचन नारायण
अज्ञान नाशक नारायण
अज्ञान नाशक नारायण
भक्त सुज्ञान पोषक नारायण
भक्त सुज्ञान पोषक नारायण
श्रीवत्स भूषण नारायण
श्रीवत्सभूषण नारायण
भक्त गोवत्स पोषक नारायण
भक्त गोवत्सभूषण नारायण
करुणापयोनिधि नारायण
करुणापयोनिधि नारायण
भक्त शरणागत दिव्य नारायण
भक्त शरणागत दिव्य नारायण
नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि 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 नारायण
नारायण हरि नारायण
नारायण हरि नारायण
गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद हरि गोविंद चिन्मयं कृष्णा विभूति प्रभाकरं विश्ववन्द्यं प्रभुं ज्ञानसंदायकं कल्मषापहं नवपार्थसारथिं प्रेमगीतामृतदायकं वन्देहम् चिन्मयं कृष्णा चिन्मयं कृष्णा चिन्मयं कृष्णा लंबोदर शिव गौरी सुता गणेश वरदा मां पाहि मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्ता चामर कर्णा गजानना विलंबित सूत्र गजानना वामन रूप गजानना महेश्वर पुत्र गजानना विघ्न विनायक गजानना पाद नमस्ते गजानना लंबोदर शिव गौरी सुता गणेश वरदा मां पाहि गौरी नंदन गिरिजानंदन पार्वती नंदन गजानना पाप विमोचन गजानना षण्मुख सोदर गजानना शंकर प्रिय सुत गजानना शंभु कुमार गजानना संकट हरण गजानना लंबोदर शिव गौरी सुता गणेश वरदा मां पाहि सिद्धि विनायक सिद्धि प्रदायक वेद विलक्षण गजानना निरुपम वदन गजानना निरत निरंजन गजानना नाग कंगन गजानना सुरगण वंदित गजानना श्री गणनायक गजानना लंबोदर शिव गौरी सुता गणेश वरदा मां पाहि गणेश वरदा मां पाहि वेद विनायक शरणं चरणं नाद विनायक शरणं चरणं वेद विनायक शरणं चरणं नाद विनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक
शरणं शरणं
सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं
वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं
वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं
वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं
शक्तिविनायक शरणं शरणं मुक्तिविनायक शरणं शरणं
शक्तिविनायक शरणं शरणं मुक्तिविनायक शरणं शरणं
आदिविनायक शरणं शरणं ज्योतिविनायक शरणं शरणं
आदिविनायक शरणं शरणं ज्योतिविनायक शरणं शरणं
वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं विघ्नेशा तव शरणं शरणं विघ्नविनाशक शरणं शरणं
विघ्नेशा तव शरणं शरणं विघ्नविनाशक शरणं शरणं
गंगाधर शरणं शरणं गिरिजातनया शरणं शरणं
गंगाधर हर शरणं शरणं गिरिजातनया शरणं शरणं
वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं वेदविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं नादविनायक शरणं शरणं बुद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक शरणं शरणं सिद्धिविनायक स्वामी की जय। देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
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 शिवशङ्करि करुणागरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरि
शिवशङ्करि करुणाकरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरि
शिवशङ्करि करुणागरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरी
शिवशङ्करि करुणाकरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरि
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
भवनाशिनी ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी जगदम्बे मां माता भवानी
भवनाशिनी ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणि जगदम्बे मां माता भवानी
भवनाशिनी ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी जगदम्बे मां माता भवानी
भवनाशिनि ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणि जगदम्बे मां माता भवानी
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
चञ्चला सुमङ्गला
चञ्चला सुमङ्गला
चञ्चला सुमङ्गला
चञ्चला सुमङ्गला
वसुन्धरा वसुप्रदा
वसुन्धरा वसुप्रदा
वसुन्धरा वसुप्रदा
वसुन्धरा वसुप्रदा
पद्मिनी सुनन्दिनी
पद्मिनी सुनन्दिनी
पद्मिनी सुनन्दिनी
पद्मिनी सुनन्दिनी
निरञ्जिनी भार्गवी
निरञ्जिनी भार्गवी
निरञ्जिनी भार्गवी
निरञ्जिनी भार्गवी
अमले कमले विमले अमले कमले विमले अमले कमले विमले अमले कमले विमले हरिवल्लभे शुभे हरिवल्लभे शुभे मन्दहास चन्द्रवदन शीतलां नमाम्यहम् मन्दहास चन्द्रवदन शीतलां नमाम्यहम् देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
शिवशङ्करि करुणाकरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरि शिवशङ्करि
करुणाकरि जगदीश्वरि परमेश्वरि
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता अम्ब देवी जगन्माता
अम्ब परमेश्वरी की जय। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी स्मरण हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी शरण हरि ओम
वेद रूपने बुद्धि प्रकाशने
वेद रूपने बुद्धि प्रकाशने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी स्मरण हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी शरण हरि ओम
अद्वितीयने धर्म पालने
अद्वितीयने धर्म पालने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी स्मरण हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी शरण हरि ओम
प्रसन्न वदने तपोशिष्यने
प्रसन्न वदने तपोशिष्यने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
चिन्मय रूपने स्वामी सद्गुरुदेवने
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी स्मरण हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम मम स्वामी शरण हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम 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 हरि ओम
हरि ओम 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 हरि ओम 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 हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
बोलो सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कृपा करो गुरुदेवा, दया करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा
दया करो गुरुदेवा
कृपा करो गुरुदेवा दया करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा दया करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा भावातीता भाग्य विधाता
भावातीता भाग्य विधाता
भावातीता भाग्य विधाता
भावातीता भाग्य विधाता
दीनानाथा अनाथ के नाथा
दीनानाथ अनाथ के नाथा
दीनानाथा अनाथ के नाथा
दीनानाथ अनाथ के नाथा
कृपा करो गुरुदेवा दया करो गुरुदेवा दया करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा दया करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा कृपा करो गुरुदेवा हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
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 हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम When I sing on Gurudev, it is very difficult. He is everything for us. So, some 600 days back, somebody sent me a small anecdote of Gurudev. And I was so fascinated to read that small article, a one paragraph of anecdote from Gurudev. She sent it from Bangalore. Then I was keep on thinking about that. This anecdote is a very nice. So people are so busy nowadays. So if you send a very small one paragraph or one page matter, they all will read. So with that background, I started writing, making anecdotes on Gurudev. Now more than 600 I have covered. And then somebody was telling, Swamiji, this is very difficult. You know, it comes in the WhatsApp group and go. And then I put it in the website. Then I put in the Facebook. But still, people are not satisfied. They wanted a printed format of the entire thing. So I thought, let me go to Bombay and get it printed. So finally, the book has come and you all will get it. You can all buy it through Chinmaya Publications in exactly, our gifting that December holidays. At that time, you can all give this book as a gift to anybody for Diwali or Christmas or Navaratri or any type of festival. Whoever comes to your house, you must gift this book. You can, I hope you can all see this. And the name of this book is The Daily Dose of Anecdotes from Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. The Daily Dose of Anecdotes. Look at the cover. And then if you open it, there is a box. Then you lift the book will come out. See my magic. Then the book is here with you. And see, the first page is Gurudev standing, and the side is written The Daily Dose of Anecdotes. And the second page, our own Pawai, Mumbai Jagadishwara temple picture. And the last cover page is our Sitabari temple. And the last back cover is our Uttarakashi. These are our Snana Tirtham, like Tirthani. Our Mumbai, Sitabari, and Uttarakashi, all Guru's places, homes. So, and look at that is the surprise. Look at the printing, the printed pages. I will show you one page. See. And this is a very nice of glossy paper, and it's all printed. 365 days you can read the whole thing. So I hope you all will get it very soon. Bombay just already printed and shipped it to all of us. It will all come back very soon. At that time, you can get it as your own copy, plus one more copy for your friend or your neighbor or your very close associate or whoever comes to your house as a guest. See, Gurudev was very fond of the time. He was very fond of the artwork. He himself was a cartoonist. He himself was the drawing, the painting, and he loved the music. He loved the dance. He loved the songs, because he encourages everything. So I was telling Uday yesterday when I went to his house and I was talking with him. Then he said he's from Baroda. That Baroda story immediately came to me. Then I said, I stayed with the Olympic Guest House in Dr. Dolakia's place. There, all on a sudden, Gurudev asked me, I need a drawing of Veera Hanuman. And I didn't know what is Veera Hanuman, the poster. Then I went to Baroda town in a cycle rickshaw with a family and searched all the pictures. Then finally I got some Hanuman picture, which I brought it. And the night I drew and gave to Gurudev. Gurudev said, is it Hanuman? This is not Hanuman. Hanuman need muscle. Then he sat down and showed me what is the Virasana pose of Hanumanji. Then I corrected, and I drew back again with a lot of muscle and sitting posture. And next day again, I took it to Gurudev. Gurudev said, yes, this is what Hanuman. So from that picture, he developed the Hanuman Murti of Sitabari, which we all very popular. The most popular idol in our Chinmaya mission is Veera Hanuman. He brought Rama to Sitabari. He stopped the wind at Sitabari, and he brought glories, the entire glories to our entire Chinmaya Tapovan Trust at Sitabari. So like that, there are so many incidents with Gurudev, and then he loved people. He loved. One example I will tell you. When he had heart attack, open heart surgery in America, and one Kamala Chandra, the trustee and the senior most member, and she has given so much the wealth to Chinmaya Mission, and that Amma, we all call her Kamalamma. Even Gurudev used to call her Kamalamma, Kamalamma. Kamala Chandra, her name. So she's at Bombay, and she some or other managed to call Gurudev in America, and Gurudev picked up the phone. Then Swamiji, and so she talked to him in Hindi only. Swamiji asked her, this Amma, no, she asked Gurudev, Swamiji, how are you? Swamiji, how are you? How is your open heart surgery? Oh, we are all here only. We cannot see you. How are you? How are you? Then Gurudev said to her, Amma, it's a miracle, and I am back. You know, they cut open my heart completely. They opened my heart, and you know, somebody was sitting inside my heart. Do you know that? And then who is that, Swamiji? Who was sitting there? Amma, that person is you. You were sitting inside my heart. You know, that type of love, where you will get that. That is our Gurudev. To that Gurudev, we are all working. We are doing our seva. And to that, you know how many centers we have? 60 centers all over USA. And this is one of the center. Is it our duty to do some help? We need money. Otherwise, it won't run. And look at this building where I'm enjoying, and you are all enjoying this program. And what a beautiful center. Somnath, the deity is sitting there, and he's receiving all of us. And this place, we need charity. See how beautiful is Gurudev said about charity. Charity must come from one's sense abundance, not $1 or $2. Abundance. Unless one is able to identify oneself with others, one will not feel the noble urge to share one's possessions. Unless we have come to correct the independent judgment and are convinced of the worthiness of the cause, charity should not be practiced. Every benefactor has the right to inquire into the cause that he is considering patroning. A miserly giving will not benefit either the giver or the receiver, and it is said in the scriptures, having come to judge a cause of worthy, give it to your entire patronage. Give in plenty and with both hands, not with one hand. Give plenty in both the hands. Also, charity must be given with modesty, avoiding feelings of egotism and vanity. That is what Gurudev said. You know, see, I read it from one of the anecdotes. That's what I am telling you. You must buy this book. 353 anecdote is this, what Gurudev said. So, all these centers have to survive. And we are here today. I don't know tomorrow what will happen to us. Before that, whatever you have, your entire wealth you can even give it to the mission. Why I say your children doesn't need any $1 from you. This is not in India. Here, they don't need $1 from you because they are making double than you, isn't it? So then why you want to keep all those money? Give it away to charity. Before anything happen, give it away. Every money you can don. See how much benefit the children are getting. I tell you one example. One of our girl, Yuva Kendra, from New Jersey. Her parents were moving away from New Jersey to Paris. At that time, we had a get-together. In that get-together, everybody spoke. And what this girl spoke, it's so beautiful. And she said, Amma, she called her mother, Amma, what, you gave me so much. But the best gift you gave to me in my entire life is that you introduced me to Chinmaya Mission. See, the teenager girl, how much he gained from Chinmaya Mission. So much wealth, the knowledge which we are providing, and how many sevaks continuously working. All our teachers, I always say, they are the backbone of the entire Chinmaya Mission, not the Swamis. Swamis comes and goes, but the teachers are there only all the time. They are the backbone of the entire Chinmaya Mission, the dedicated service. To those people and for the next generation, we must support. I hope all of you will give continuous support, and today is the best day to give this your Diwali gift to entire Chinmaya Mission. And if you give something, I am going to give you something to you back. We have lot of shawl which I brought, and all of you will get beautiful. Which color you tell me, and I will give it to you.
Swamiji, provided they give $1,000 or more.
Yes. If you give $1,000, you will get one of these.
Yes.
See how many colors.
There are 10 different colors available for everybody to choose from. You kindly submit an email. You will actually get an email once you do your generous donations.
So with that, we'll continue. Page number. चिन्मय जिनका नाम है, सिद्धबाड़ी धाम है।
जिनका नाम है, सिद्धबाड़ी धाम है।
ऐसे श्री गुरुदेव को बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है। शंकर जिनके प्रेरक थे, तपोन जिनके सद्गुरु दे, ऐसे चिन्मय सद्गुरु को बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है। वेदांत के अभिवक्ता को, उपनिषदों के प्रचारक को, श्री सद्गुरु परमेश्वर को, श्री सद्गुरु परमेश्वर को बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है, वेदांत के अभिवक्ता को, उपनिषदों के प्रचारक को, श्री सद्गुरु परमेश्वर को बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
कृष्ण जिनके प्रेरक थे, यज्ञ जिनका धर्म था। कृष्ण जिनके प्रेरक थे, यज्ञ जिनका धर्म था। ऐसे चिन्मय कृष्ण को, ऐसे चिन्मय कृष्ण को बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
गीता ज्ञान प्रचारक को, मानव के शुभ चिंतक को। गीता ज्ञान प्रचारक को, मानव के शुभ चिंतक को। ऐसे योगी चिन्मय को,
ऐसे योगी चिन्मय को,
ऐसे योगी चिन्मय को
ऐसे योगी चिन्मय को
बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
बारंबार प्रणाम है।
चिन्मय जिनका नाम है, सिद्धबाड़ी धाम है।
जिनका नाम है, सिद्धवाणी धाम है।
ऐसे श्री गुरुदेव को, ऐसे श्री गुरुदेव को बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है,
बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है। बोलो सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
We will have the financial presentation at this stage.
Hari Om. Hari Om and good evening. My name is Jay Sriram. I am your joint treasurer. My colleague Prakash Ji, our treasurer, is also on the line. In the next 12 minutes or so, I would like to talk to you about the financial health of Chinmaya Mission Washington Regional Center. And I may have, if time permits, 2 minutes of a small story after that. I'm also planning to post this presentation deck on our website. So I don't want to read these slides one after another for you. Wherever I would like to spotlight some of the contents, I will talk. Otherwise, I'll continue. And especially for some of you may not be able to see, but they are just listening to. Our mission, I will change the slideshow to full page. So it is shown to you better. Lineage of gurus from Adi Shankara to our Pujya Guruji and all the other Swamijis and Swaminis serving the mission. Our Mukhya Swamiji is Swami Sarupananda, usually based out of Mumbai in Sandipani Sadhanalaya, but traveling all over the world. The activities of mission are not just limited to India or North America, it's worldwide. We have activities, courses, projects, services institutes, and education, and social. And as part of a larger organization, Chinmaya Mission Washington Regional Center is a small footprint locally, serving all our families here. We have two big centers, one in Silver Spring called Chinmayam, Chantilly, Virginia, Chinmaya Somnath. Majority of you probably have seen them, visited them during your engagement with the mission. And in addition to that, we have chapters in Frederick, Maryland, Salisbury, Maryland, and Richmond, Virginia. Our holdings, Kailash Nivas, we acquired in '89, Chinmayam acquired in 2003, Devi Nivas in 2008, Chinmaya Somnath 2014, and maybe Chinmayanandam soon. That's what the 20XX is. This is our Swamiji, always colorful and smiling. In addition to our Swamiji, we have a retinue of teachers. There's a list of them here. I don't want to read all of them for lack of time. We have programs. Everybody is probably familiar with our Bal Vihar, pre-K to 12, that is high school, summer camp, language classes, shloka classes, Gita chanting programs. And in addition to the kids, program for adults and youth, Bhagavad Gita classes, study groups, yajnas, spiritual camps, and CHYK, Chinmaya Yuva Kendra. We all fondly call that CHIK. We have a bunch of outreach programs where we engage our community in and around our chapters and through Dharma ambassadors, interfaith activities. You all probably remember Unity Walk last year. Member of Interfaith Conference in Metropolitan Washington area in Montgomery County Interfaith Community. Worship service at US Naval Academy. We are founding member of United Hindu Jain Temples of Washington. And then this is probably more relevant, our community services, because of the ongoing pandemic. We have donated more than 1,000 pounds of food through the social organization MANA in Maryland, donated more than 1,200 bags of food to needy in Maryland. I think several of you have participated in the last 5 sessions of dropping a bag off, and the community member who is in need comes around and picks up one of those bags. And we have one coming up on the 21st of this month as well. We have already done 1,200 bags. Served hot food in homeless shelters for healthcare workers in Virginia. These are ongoing outreach programs, especially from the compassionate part of our group. We have a Chinmaya Blossoms preschool. It is in Chinmaya Somnath. It's a full-time program, Monday to Friday. It has a state-of-the-art facility with multi-purpose room, puppet theater, gymnastics, yoga for children, science and technology, engineering, arts and maths team program, performing arts, celebrating festivals and traditions, laying the foundation for an exceptional academic journey. Since 2017, 30 plus students have graduated already. These are preschool children. So our offerings are organized to instill the message of Vedanta from Ati Maduram to Chinmayam, to chicks to adults. So from the time you are born, Chinmaya Mission has something for you, even including Vanaprastha. Well, equivalent to maybe retirement in Western terminology. We have a governing body in the Chinmaya Mission Washington Regional Center, a board of trustees. The trustees are listed here. And again, I would welcome you to read at your time the contents. And the executive committee is also a governing body which reports to the board of trustees. The executive committee meets every month and gives a report to the BOT, board of trustees. And the board of trustees meet at least 3 times a year. This is the financial part of CMWRC. We have 17.5 million worth of assets, which includes Kailash Nivas, Chinmayam, Devi Nivas, Chinmayanandam land, with absolutely no mortgage on them. Chinmaya Somnath, which we have a mortgage we are paying down. With assets of 17.5 million, we have liabilities of 9 million. Of that, bank mortgage is 4.8 million, and congregation loans 4.2 million. I'm sure many of you attending this remote program here are participating in the congregational loan program. As I said, our holdings is Kailash Nivas, 300K loan paid off in 5 years. Chinmayam, 2.3 million loan paid off in 8 years. Devi Nivas, 650K, that is $650,000 loan. We paid it off in about 6 years. Chinmaya Somnath, we started with 10.5 million in 2017, and we have already paid down $1.5 million. That's why we owe $9,000 loan on this property. This is a bird's eye view of the sources of money coming into the mission. There are a lot of breakdown here, membership, Guru Dakshina, capital projects, Chinmaya Mission Blossoms, tuition, totaling $1.775 million. Of course, all this money is being spent that's the next slide. We are paying interest, almost $390,000 in 2019, last year. And it used to be $450,000 the previous year. We are able to reduce almost $60,000 in the interest payment because of 2 reasons. One is we have restructured our restructured our congregational loans to a different set of interest rates at a lower rate structure, which reduced the cost of our interest going. And also we had paid down some of those loans which are owed to our members as and when those loans came due and the families wanted to take that money over. Typically, they put this loan in terms of the children's college education. And when the kids come to 18 years old and the college starts for the children, they use that money to educate their kids, and we were ready to give that money back to them. So we have a very good track record from our families on the congregation loans. Then the principals we started with, and we paid $630,000 during 2019 for a total of $880,000 starting from our balance of 2017. So as you can see that our finance team headed by our treasurer, Mr. Prakash Soman, we have been very diligent, very aggressive in paying down our liabilities. And we manage all our money coming in and out, cash flow that is, with a lot of diligence and making sure that we spend the money at the priority areas. And we continue to be answerable to our congregation who pays our money. Swami Siddhanandaji mentioned before about the importance of giving money to charity. Give more and give plenty and give without ego. And that is the only way these charity organizations can continue to operate. I mentioned that we are aggressive with our financial dealings. All that is possible only because you are supporting. Your contributions are supporting the activities of the mission. This is the Arpanam annual pledge. Many of you have heard and several of you have signed up for. This is nothing but a recognition program at 4 different levels. Different contributions from you and your family members. They are added up and they are put into either level of Patram, Pushpam, Phalam, and Toyam, as you see on this page. And at the end of the year, usually you get benefits based on which level of engagement you are within Arpanam program. How can you contribute? This is where I have a small story. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Morse code. Long time ago, there was a young man who applied for a job to become a Morse code clerk those days. And Morse code is usually transmitted using a mechanical device. He was called into an interview. He went in and he saw a lot of people waiting there for the interview. And in the outer office where everybody is waiting, there was a board, please keep silent. You will be called in when your time is ready for your interview. So everybody was waiting. And suddenly this young man got up, went into the inner space, inner office, and closed the door behind him. 15 minutes later, he came back with a wide smile on his face, and the HR manager behind him said, "You all can go. We have already hired our candidate today." The people outside were spellbound. I don't know what happened. How? He came the last. How come you hired him? Well, we have been telling, if you understand this message in Morse code, please come on in for the interview. And that is what happened. That guy paid attention. He was sitting there and he knew what was going on, and he took advantage of that. So when I am reading a slide with the financial information here, I'm assuming that we are all sitting in Chinmayam or Chinmaya Somnath, but then we are all remotely listening to me. Remember, what is the code here which you are hearing? Mission needs your help. As this young man got up and went inside, claimed his job, please donate and claim your place in the pantheon of CMWRC. You can donate appreciated stock. $100 stock you probably bought 12 years ago is probably $2,000 today, because stock market has been going up. And you can donate that $2,000 stock to the mission and take a tax deduction for $2,000. It does not matter. You paid only $100 a long time ago. If you or somebody in your family is around the age of 70 and a half, please look into paying your direct required minimum distribution, RMDs, directly from your IRAs into the mission as a charitable contribution. Make check payable to CMWRC, which you have always done before in the past. Pay online with the ACH check, that is an e-check from your account, or by credit card from our website. Sign up for IOU online, provided you make the payment by Christmas Day this year, 12/25. You can sign up for monthly contribution pledge, convert all or part of your congregation loans as donations. If you have multiple loans, look into maybe converting one of them as a donation. Both the principal and accrued interest will be donation to the mission, and you will get a statement showing that you have donated that much money. Make your congregation loan interest-free. You can say, specify a number of years and say, hey, I have a loan for $10,000 for 2020 and 2021, or next 3 years, the interest will be free. That will be added to your Arpanam Pledge recognition program. That's why sign up for Arpanam Pledge and contribute before end of the year. These are all different ways to contribute. And some of them, if you require more information, you can contact my colleague, Prakash Soman, or myself. And when I put this up on our website, you will know our contact information, both the email and the telephone number at almost the last slide, just before the last slide. I want to stop with remembering Gurudev, who is making us all engage together towards a common goal. Thank you for listening. Hari Om.
Welcome back. Hari Om and welcome back. With Gurudev's grace and blessings, at least from right now till the end of the year, we have raised $85,000. I encourage you all to continue to give generously, deliberately, and let's get to our goal of raising $250,000. That's the amount Prakash ji has suggested that we should raise and continue to expand our programs. As you have seen in the slides, if you donate $1,000 and $8 or more dollars today, you will receive wonderful shawl that Swamiji has brought from Pennsylvania. Those who are contributing more than $2,500 will receive the mandala art painting that we all have seen with Ashtotar Shatnamavali. So continue to donate generously and let's all enjoy. We have done our best to maintain social distancing. We all were wearing masks right before we came back live, and we will continue to practice our best way so that we can continue our mission safely and soundly. Hari Om. Over to you, sir.
I hope everybody will give. You know, this, you must have seen whenever anybody gives Bhiksha to Gurudev, Puja Gurudev, and after the Bhiksha, he will say very loudly, Gange Hara Hara. Have you seen? Many people must have seen Gange Hara Hara. Why you know that? Because Ganga Maya has given me this food, Annam. Because Gurudev, many years he spent with Swami, his Param Puja Gurudev, Swami Tabon Maharaj, to study under him. He was there at Uttarakashi. And daily he used to have Bhiksha from Kali Kambliwala temple. So the Bhiksha from that Kali Kambliwala temple plus the Ganga water, that is the greatest feast they all had. So he remembers whoever gives Bhiksha, he remembers that Bhiksha is always comes from whoever gives. Even your wife gives food, or your mother gives food, or your children give food, treat it as Bhiksha from Mother Goddess. Ganga Maya is giving you this food, that type of thinking. Like your own income, your own money, wealth, everything is God is given to you. So it is not belongs to you. Give it as a charity. That's why Bhagavan has given you two hands. Receive it one hand and give it to others with the right hand. Receive and give. That's why all the goddess also standing like this. Give, come to me, I will protect you. One meaning. Then give it to me, I will give it to the others. So keep giving. And the greatest joy ever is giving. When you give so much happiness, that happiness you would never ever get anywhere in the world. One, suppose somebody is so hungry, give him little bit food, and his expression, his face, and that Chaitanyam has come back, life has come back in him. Like that, keep on giving. That is the only way to have the pleasure and lead a beautiful life. Shivam Shivakaram Shandam, Shivam Shivakaram Shandam,
Shivam Shivakaram Shantam, Shivam Shivakaram Shantam,
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तं शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तं शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं शिव सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं शिव सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम्
सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम्
जय नटराजा चिदम्बरेशा
जय नटराजा चिदम्बरेशा
साम्ब सदा शिव शिव हर ओम्
साम्ब सदा शिव शिव हर ओम्
शिव हर ओम् शिव हर ओम्
शिव हर ओम् शिव हर ओम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम् शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम् शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तं शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम् शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
जय गंगाधर गौरी मनोहर
जय गङ्गाधर गौरी मनोहर
गज चर्माम्बर शिव हर ओम्
गज जन्माम्बर शिव हर ओम्
शिव हर ओम् शिव हर ओम्
शिव हर ओम् शिव हर ओम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तं शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम् शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तं शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम् शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
शिवं शिवकरं शान्तम्
नमः पार्वती पदये हर हर महादेव राम राम जय जय राम
राम राम जय जय राम
रघुवीरं रणधीरम्
रघुवीरं रणधीरम्
सत्यं एव स्वरूप रामा
सत्यमेव स्वरूप राम
शमदमादि गुण वैभव राम 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 जय जय राम रघुवीरं रणधीरम् आत्मा राम आनंद राम आनंदात्मक अद्भुत राम 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 जय जय राम रघुवीरं रणधीरम् परम पावन तारक राम पाप विमोचक कल्याण राम 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 जय जय राम रघुवीरं रणधीरम् रघुवीरं रणधीरम् रघुपति राघव राजा राम द्वारकाधिपति मेघ श्याम कौसल्यासुत कोदंड राम यशोद नंदन मेघ श्याम अयोध्यवासी सीताराम मधुराधिपते राधे श्याम मधुराधिपते राधे श्याम राम 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 राम
Rama 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 Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama
Rama
Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama
Rama
Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Shri Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Gagana Sadrisham Mekavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Gandham Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhedhyanagamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaija Suravandidaya Namo
Sundaraya Namo Suravandidaya Namo
Madhavaya Namo Madhusudaraya Namo
Madhavaya Namo Madhusudanaya Namo
Karanaya Namo Narayanaya Namo
Karanaya Namo Narayanaya Namo
Namo Namo Namo
Namo Namo Namo
Om Namo Namo Namo
Om Namo Namo Namo
Ramaya Namo Krishnaya 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 Krishnaya Namo
Ramaya Namo 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 Krishnaya Namo
Karanaya Namo Narayanaya Namo
Karanaya Namo Narayanaya Namo
Om Namo Namo Namo
Namo Namo Namo
Om Namo Namo Namo
Om Namo Namo Namo
Namo Namo Namo Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radha Madhava Mangala Dama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama Nandan Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radha Madhava Mangala Dhama Radha Madhava Mangala Dhama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Nandana Govinda
Nandana Govinda
Navanita Chora Govinda
Navanita Chora Govinda
Navanita Chora Govinda
Navanita Chora Govinda
Bhaktavatsala Govinda
Bhaktavatsala Govinda
Bhaktavatsala Govinda
Bhaktavatsala Govinda
Paramadayala Govinda
Paramadayala Govinda
Paramadayala Govinda
Paramadayala Govinda
Narayana Govinda
Narayana Govinda
Govinda Govinda Gokula Nandana Govinda
Govinda Govinda Gokula Nandana Govinda
Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radha Madhava Mangala Dhama Radha Madhava Mangala Dhama Radhe Shama He Ghana Shama Radhe Shama Anadharashaka Govinda
Anadharashaka Govinda
Abadbandava Govinda
Abadbandava Govinda
Purana Purusha Govinda
Purana Purusha Govinda
Punya Shloka Govinda
Punya Shloka Govinda
घनश्यामा
राधे श्यामा हे घनश्यामा
राधा माधव मंगलधामा